Now, when you're coming into a forest, ideally, you should be well prepared, right? So, long sleeve, you're gonna get sunburned. You need a hat. For all of you, especially who don't have a perfect head like me, and you need to cover your ugly looking heads with hair. But still, I would suggest that you wear a good hat or a cap, whichever that you like. Now you need sunglasses from the sun. Of course, you want to look cool. If you're having a watch, make sure it's weatherproof. It is water resistant, like the one that I'm having now. Good binoculars. You never know what you're gonna find. Good binoculars. A machete. A good one. That'll help you go through because you're gonna be cutting a lot of leaves and stuff. Now, the most important thing is put your pants into your socks, like what I'm doing now. This is called leech sock. So you're gonna walk into the forest, sort of leeches. Trust me, you don't want to be bitten by one. Sometimes I've been bitten. I didn't realize they were in my boots, and a few hours later when I removed both my boots, I had about 20 leeches on my ankle, and my ankle swelled up for the next few days. And some of the leeches, the ones that you grow here, the ones that you get here, when they bite you, what actually happens is that you end up with severe itchiness. Sometimes it will last you until a few months. I don't know how far it's true, but for me, I've tried apple cider, and for some reason it works very well actually. But if it doesn't, you can try some hydrocot cream and stuff, but it's not as bad if you are wearing leech socks. Always use sunblocks. Remember, they only last about 3 to 4 hours, so you need to use your sunblocks and reapply them every 3 to 4 hours. If people get confused and slap a lot of the sunblock on your face, for God's sake. Don't use it sparingly. Sunblocks don't work that way. And when you're on the boat, safety, put it up here, make sure that it fits you, and then use this one, goes under your groin tightly. You know why? You fall in the water, if this is not there, the water is going to push it up, you're going to suffocate, you'll still drown. So please, safety first, extremely important. And let me tell you, you know what's the most important thing that you need? You need anda. Without your guide to help you, you're gonna get lost. So that's anda. He's gonna be here. He's here with me most of the time, and he knows this place. He's a Jahai, and he knows very well everything. Okay, so now we're ready. Let's explore. Anda thinks I'm being silly considering he doesn't use any of this. I hate Anda. But jokes aside, be careful of leeches.